What is solopreneurship? Solopreneurship is more than just a business venture. It's a mindset. As a solopreneur, you are the CEO, the creative force, and the driving factor behind your business. It's about leveraging your skills to create a business on your own terms. Let us define solopreneurship. Defining solopreneurship involves considering various factors that distinguish it from other business models. In this video, we are going to discuss the 5 key factors that define solopreneurship. First factor which I want to tell you about is single ownership. Solopreneurship at its core embodies the spirit of individuality in business. Imagine this, a single person donning multiple hats from the CEO to the janitor, steering the ship of their enterprise. In this solo venture, the term single ownership isn't just a label, it's a declaration of autonomy. Let's look into one of the solopreneur, Miss Anita. Anita is a graphic designer running her freelance business. She conceptualizes, designs, markets, and invoices the customers all on her terms. The canvas of her success is painted with a singular vision and dedication. In solopreneurship, the spotlight shines on the sole individual calling the shots. No boardroom debates or partner consultations. Decisions are made swiftly and directly. It's the ultimate form of entrepreneurship where innovation, resilience, and success rest solely on the shoulders of the trailblazing solopreneur. As we unravel the essence of solopreneurship, remember this, it's not just about business, it's about one person's journey to turn dreams into reality, proving that sometimes all you need is a single visionary to create something extraordinary. Second factor that defines solopreneurship is hands-on approach. In the dynamic world of solopreneurship, the term hands-on approach isn't just a strategy, it's a way of life. Imagine being not just the captain of the ship, but also the crew, navigating the entrepreneurial waters with a hands-on, all-in commitment. Solopreneurs are actively involved in every aspect of their business, from conception to execution. They are the primary decision makers responsible for tasks ranging from product or service development to marketing, sales, and customer service. This hands-on approach is a defining characteristic of solopreneurship. Meet Mr. Amit, a solopreneur running a thriving online boutique. From curating products to handling customer inquiries and managing the online storefront, Amit is the heartbeat of his business. The hands-on approach isn't just a choice, it's a necessity for solopreneurs like Amit who embody the essence of their brand. In solopreneurship, there is no delegation without understanding, no decision without first-hand experience. It's this direct involvement in every facet, from the brainstorming sessions to customer interactions, that distinguishes solopreneurs. Their success are an extension of themselves, a testament to the power of a hands-on, personal touch in the entrepreneurial landscape. An important factor that defines solopreneurship is personal branding. Building a personal brand is integral to solopreneurship. Crafting a distinct identity isn't just a choice, it's a superpower. Enter the world of personal branding, where solopreneurs become architects of their own brand narrative. The solopreneur's personality, skills, and values become intertwined with the brand identity. Customers often choose solopreneurs based on a personal connection, making personal branding a critical factor in the success of a solopreneur venture. Doris De Silva is a solopreneur in the wellness space. She is a yogic and Ayurvedic lifestyle trainer and coach. Her brand isn't just about the services she offers, it's an extension of her beliefs, expertise, and the unique touch she brings in. Clients aren't just buying a service, but they are investing in the essence of Doris. For solopreneurs, personal branding is more than a logo or a tagline. It's a fusion of personality, skills, and values into a unique entity. Attracted to the service, they are drawn to the person behind it. Success isn't just about what you do, it's about who you are, making personal branding the heartbeat of a thriving solopreneurial venture. The fourth important factor that defines solopreneurship is flexible structure. Solopreneurship often embraces a flexible and agile business structure. The solopreneur has the freedom to adapt quickly to market changes, implement new strategies, and pivot the business direction without the need for extensive approval processes. Imagine in your corporate life how many levels of approval you need to take for a simple, great idea. This flexibility in solopreneurship allows for rapid decision making and adjustments to meet evolving business needs. And last but not the least, the important factor in solopreneurship is profitable passion. Solopreneurs often align their business ventures with their passions and interests. Unlike traditional entrepreneurs focusing solely on profit, solopreneurs prioritize personal fulfillment and a sense of purpose in their work. This alignment of passion and profit distinguishes solopreneurship as a unique and fulfilling career path. Ready to embark on your solopreneurial journey and redefine success on your terms, it's more than a business venture. It's a mindset shift. As the CEO of your own destiny, you hold the power to shape your career narrative. Discover the unique blend of independence, hands-on approach, and personal branding that defines solopreneurship. Stay tuned to delve deeper into the world of entrepreneurial autonomy and discover how far you can turn your skills into a thriving business. Your solopreneurial adventure awaits you. Like, subscribe, and follow. Click now to unlock the keys to a career defined by passion, autonomy, and success. Thank you. Gomuti Ramesh, your solopreneur coach.